Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you? I hope you are all doing great. First of all, I'm not going to tell you about the answer keys because there is no information. So please, I request stop asking, and I do not want to confuse with any random videos, any random informations until unless I'll have the confirmation from the NTS website. Okay. So please, I'm extremely sorry. We are about to start the classes, I told you, but since everybody was busy and I don't know where you were, you are not giving your feedback. So here I'm going to share the complete schedule, complete roadmap that how we are going to continue the classes for December. Okay, and after that I do not want to skip any day. So before starting, you must join the membership, and here how you can get. I have shared on Telegram. I have shared through the post on YouTube. So you can just read. There are three labels. You can accordingly to not miss anything from the channel and you stay connected with me. You can join as per your convenient. Okay. Thank you so much. So paper 2, I have already discussed which topic we need to discuss and which topic you need to more give your attention and focus. Okay. So in English literature, how we are going to practice, we will, if the topic is lengthier and if the topic require more attention, we will cover, but we won't take much time to clear the concept until unless if any of you are beginner. Okay. So from 1st of August, we are going to start. And unit 1 we have drama, so we will take 1 to 3 days to complete the to clear the concept, and we will start practicing. We will move on to the MCQs practice. Okay, 1 second. We will start practicing MCQs. Similarly for poetry, so in poetry, if you lack in understanding the stanza, the meaning, you need to practice a lot. Unit 3 fictions and short stories, we do not get much questions, but still we cannot skip any topic. See, we have all the 10 units in English literature and paper 1 also. So 10 plus 10, you have 20 topics as per your limit. And the topic you find easy, you can get, and the difficult, you can give more attention, and the toughest one, you can still. Do not miss any unit or any topic I will suggest. So fiction and short stories we have. Language you need more attention. Okay, in this cycle we did not get many questions, but still we cannot skip. I won't suggest any of you to skip any questions or any unit, any topic related to that. So drama, from basic. Poetry, you need to understand. Fiction and short stories. Language, you need to give more attention. English in India is very important topic, so you cannot skip that also. Okay, so this is how we are going to take time, and we will try to finish this in 15 days, the concept. In 15 or more, not more than that, 1 or 2 days if it will be extended, but not more than that. We will finish all the 10 units, and after that we will practice PYQs and MCQs. MCQs plus PYQs. This is how we are going to practice. Only the topic will be related with UGC NET English Literature, set or any get exam of English literature competitive exam. You can subscribe the channel if you really are preparing. The more attention you need to give on unit, you have a English in India, just I told you, cultural studies, literary criticism, literary theory post World War II, okay, research methodologies. So these are the large from the unit 5 to unit 10. You need to give your attention, so we are going to cover all these, and I'm just showing you the schedule that how we are going to finish. And after finishing all these 10 units, still there are a lot of confusion between you in your mind that apart from once you have covered all the 10 units, what are the things that you need to practice more? apart from once you covered all the 10 units, क्या बच जाता है? So all of you get confused that Dalit literature, the topic, Indian literature, more you want to practice. Then you have British literature. We get a lot of comment and lot of feedback from that they want to practice more. British literature, British writers, world literature. Last moment, if you will give focus in June 2026, it just happened that last day we practice and we get a lot of questions from that. Then world literature, just research topic, we have to focus the exam topics that NTA give specifically, okay? And literary theories last moment. So these are the topics you need to give more attention and more focus. If any of you have not prepared your plan, you can take the screenshot or you can just start your preparation. So these are the 10 units from paper to English literature. Remember, drama, poetry, fiction and short stories, language, English in India. Then you have cultural studies, literary criticism, literary theories and research methodologies. These are the 10 units in English literature paper 2. And apart from that, you need to focus on the different topics that we get a lot of questions from: the literature, Indian literature, British, world, research and literary theories. Okay. Then we will move on to the paper 1. So in paper 1, I have told you that as we are the part of English, part of literature, and we are the literature students, so we have to focus on super 7 topics. My math is weak. I'm fine. It's okay. But I'm not telling you that you will only focus on super 7 topics and you will escape. No, there is no negative marking. So you can practice. You cannot skip any questions in the exam. Teaching aptitude, you have seen which type of questions they have moved on and they are like giving more attention to. Research aptitude, you have to prepare the in that way that you will cover the paper 1 and paper 2 all together. Reading comprehension, you must practice. Communications, very important, we get a lot of questions from the communication. Then super 7 topic, I'm just telling you right now. Logical reasoning, data interpretation, no, this is not the part of super 7. ICT is very important, we cannot skip. Okay. People development and environment, remember, and higher education. So super 7 topics, the it is written from the blue pen 1 2 3, like we have teaching aptitude, research aptitude, reading comprehension 3, then we have a communication 4, then we have ICT 5, people development and environment 6, and higher education 7. Remaining topics: mathematical reasoning, logical reasoning and data interpretation. It can go along with your ability, your capability, how you can going to tackle these. Okay. So these are the super 7 topics we need to focus on. So we will try to clear all these within a week, and then again we will practice with MCQs and PYQs. Okay. And apart from these, if you want to give more attention and you want to focus on any other topic, I follow what you say. So you have to tell me that, ma'am, please bring this topic or make videos on a particular topic. You need more explanation. You want to understand. So you have to tell me in the comment section, giving your feedback. You can be the part of general Telegram group or WhatsApp channel. Anyhow, you just let me know. Okay. So the best medium I will suggest YouTube. So you must tell me how and what is your most important concern apart from this. I have shared. So I hope you all have already started your preparation. You know what's going on, CJP and the protest, Jantar Mantar, everything. Now Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned, but the worst part is that he was he has completed his master in anthropology, Dharmendra Pradhan. But now, for the time being, BJP has selected the person. I am forgetting the name. He has completed only BA, bachelor, graduated. So I think they do not have any like more educated person who can be like more deserving person for to become the education minister. What's your take? It's like कि वो एक saying है, कहाँ से लटके और कहाँ पे अटके, ऐसा कुछ, sorry. But anyhow, I just want कि whatever like the person has chosen, he or she or whatever, they must do their work with honesty and in the favor of all the students of the country. They must actually give their concern to the hard work of all the students, and their hard work, their dedication should not go in vain. That's what we expect right now. So I hope everything is clear. It is a very short video to inform you that this is the schedule I'm going to follow. Okay, this is the schedule you can follow too, and I'm going to follow. Okay, and to not to miss any class, because we will practice live, so we can in just 59 rupees. It is a very basic, and one many of the students have joined already. So you can be able to watch the live classes. You will be able, then members only post and community there will be, and your priority doubt support you will get, and special updates, exclusive contents, everything you can get in this basic plan. Okay, and in standard level 2 you can get a selected class PDF or any MCQs practice units, selected one. Okay, and rest is fine. And in this is the third level, you can get everything, like you have the access of everything, so you can select any of these, it will be fine. At least you will be able to watch the live classes. Okay, and that's it. This is what I wanted to tell you. I wanted to share the schedule, that how we are going to follow, what we are going to follow for December 2026. So if any of you have any doubt, and post. Now I have also added the true false. So that is also important. If your concept is clear, you will immediately select the correct answer, true or whether it's false. Okay, then there is a MCQs practice also. So through the post, I'm very active, but videos, since I upload one and I saw that there is not many of you are active, so I thought I should also be lazy. But you can share your feedback, everybody. I will be waiting, and I will definitely reply to you that how we are going to practice and what is your schedule, what you are going to follow. Okay, the content, if you are confused, it's very much helpful. You can watch the previous classes, and content has received a very positive feedback from all of you, and that's why like I'm here, and because of you and because of your feedback, because of your concern, I need, and I am like willingly for you, I'm bringing the classes. So that's it. Please do take care of yourself. Do not worry about the answer keys. Let just wait and prepare for December 2026. Thank you so much for joining. Please join the membership and stay connected to me, to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.